Hello. Thanks for that.
Thanks.
Nice car though.
Yeah, when we open up the bonnet and the boot.
Oh, yeah, I'll come back. Yeah.
Good on you. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you. Alright, let's take these peeps. You heard? Whose car is this? Must be this person's car. But I'll get a shot of it. We like all cars, you heard? The rims. Stop playing with me. It's another car pulling in. Boom. This boss thing over here. More of the owners here. Hey guys. Anyway. The show is meant to start at 6 o'clock, but I got here early, of course. The legend. I don't know if you can see, but starty little thing. This is pimped. Who's this? These bunyats out here? Stop playing with me. What'd you come here for, you bunyats? Stop playing with me. Oh, there's a... I think I've seen that Holden before at the last show. Oh, this hoe got a BP engine in here, eh? Or a VN, or whatever you call it. Hey guys. I don't know if you can see the color, but she's like dark green. Yeah, you can see it. It's nice.
No, that's right. I could put, I could chop it half, put it across the stick, and then that's on your kink. Well, I suppose on yours too. Yeah. There you go.
Hey mate, you two are the owners, right?
Yeah.
Obviously. The legends.
We just sit next to them.
Yeah. Just sit next to them.
We move around, you probably see you sitting up next to those ones, see?
Yeah.
Just for the photos, you get some selfies. And, yeah.
Anybody? Oh yeah, Trans Am. The peeps. Oh. They're gonna paint. I don't even know if I got a front shot of this car, but we'll get it anyway. And a back shot of that thing. Forgot about that. Don't park here, bro, because I gotta get a back shot. Yes! Hey mate. Okay, we got some food stores pulling in now, I think. Some peeps. What is this starty thing? Don't worry, I already know what it is. It's a Ford Falcon, baby. The legends, the old school shit. Alright, where are we up to? There's more over there. The peeps. Let's go for a walk over this way. Okay, that's not a food stall. Yeah, I've seen this green thing. SLE.